Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm still cleaning up my classroom. Most of these light covers are gone. I just have a few more to do, so I'm going to be doing that today. And we are almost done finishing up this classroom. I am so excited to be able to go to my next classroom, but unfortunately before I'm able to go there, I do have to clean out everything here. And then they're going to be waxing the floors here and at the other school, and then I'm going to be able to take my stuff over to the new classroom. But as you can see, a lot of the light covers are gone. I just have some in this back side over here, and then they just continue up here in the front. So these are the last ones that I need to do. I'm going to clean the boards, get some of my paper out because I do have a lot of paper and stuff, and then that cabinet is still kind of full, so I still have to empty that out a bit. But aside from that, I would say that this classroom's almost done, and I can almost say that it is completely cleaned out. So I'm gonna take the rest of the day today and just finish cleaning everything out, and then tomorrow will be a new day with everything just gone.
Trying to make up your mind like you need more time. You've already spent most of mine. Even when your words fail, you try to keep it light. I'm done right. You can be honest. I don't appreciate your lies. It's about damn time you get it right. 'Cause I'm up all night and you keep pretending that you'll keep fighting. Save the world when it falls. I'm up all night and you just keep talking. Are you even silent? Find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say that.
You guys, my classroom is done with the lights. Look at them. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird. It looks so sad. Can you even remember what it looked like with all of my paper chains, twinkly lights, and light filters all together? It looks so different. It looks so sad. So the lights are done. I'm just leaving this here because, like I said in my other video, kids walk down this like hallway here, and I don't want them like peeking in through the classroom. It's a pretty big window here, so there's a lot that they can like peek in and like cause distractions. So I'm just keeping this up here until the last day of school. And for those of you that don't know, I'm actually teaching summer school right now. So this is like my last hoorah at this school and in this classroom. So it gives me enough time to kind of get everything together and get it out of here. But I'm actually going to be emailing the office manager at my new school and seeing if I can get into my new classroom so I can just start putting everything in that classroom. But I have so much stuff, you guys. Like, my garage is full. It's already like in my house, in our living room and my bedroom. There's just so much stuff. You never know how much stuff you have until you're cleaning out your classroom, but it's a lot. Like, us teachers, we hold on to so much, and it's stuff that we need. Like, I need a lot of paper for the students who don't have it. So what am I going to do with it? I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to make sure that I have it available for them. But then you just end up with so much paper, and it's just like too much. But anyways, this is what my classroom looks like now. Very plain, very vanilla. Bulletin boards are all matching the walls and the floors. Nothing too exciting, but I do have to still empty out this cabinet a bit. I do have a lot of stuff in there. I have to get this rug home, which isn't gonna fit in my car. It was actually delivered to the school when I got it, so I have to figure out how to get that home if it's not gonna fit in my car. Maybe leave my trunk open and have it stick out the back. We'll have to see. But yep, this is what it's looking like, guys. This is the end of the school year. Wow. I totally forgot though, I have to get this paper organizer home and these two bookcases, but I think all this stuff stays, like everything else here. This is like stuff from the math department that's all just kind of shared in here. So, oh, I need my microwave. I'm leaving my fridge here. My fridge is already actually by my desk right there somewhere, but I am gonna take this home today and see if I have anything else in here that I need. Oh, I need this cornhole game. I got this for my kids when we do raffles and stuff. They can toss the little beanbag into the cornhole. Depending on which one, it's worth certain points of extra credit. So I thought that was really cool. But when you have one of these and it hits here, it's so loud. Like, it's literally that loud in class. So I just used it once and I haven't used it since. Just because it's metal and makes that loud noise. But I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I'll take it home though for sure. I have to take these home, so I should probably take these out. Just so I know and so I can see them. Instead of forgetting them here. And then, whoa. And then it looks like I just need these. So all this, and then these I have to get out. But everything else in here I think is like stuff that I'm leaving or stuff that belongs to the school or something. So, oh, I have my paints, but I'll just leave those there. They aren't very good paints, that's why I keep them in the back, actually. Oh, these are actually the good ones. Maybe I should take these. We'll see. Might leave them, just because I don't want to carry them. But yeah, so that's all done. Now it's just microwave and these. So let me get my microwave and stack it up here. I just saw these are mine too. So my district has like these core packets that we can use for our classes. I might just take one of these just so I can use it. But inks for the printer stays, but it looks like everything else is staying. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot about these. So I had students do projects. In my drama class, the kids made little diorama things. And these were some of the good ones that I kept. So obviously this is Stranger Things if you haven't seen it. This is what it is. And the kid used little rubber bands from his braces. I thought that was so clever. So I am definitely going to take these too. So I'm going to put these out. This one is one of my favorites too, if I can get it. This one you plug into the wall and it literally lights up. Like, it has lights in it. It's so cool. There's the plug right there. So put that one there. And we've got one more, which I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, the army one. This one wasn't finished, so I'm not sure I'll keep this. This is like 3-4 years old, by the way, you guys. I might just take these off and like put them in my classroom randomly. So I'll put this one out here too. Whoops, already broke. But yeah.